Did I? Was I thought? Okay, well, guess this is it. Hello, Galaxy. Chris Perillo here. As I move the mic across the desk, and you hear something click to notify me that I am actually live again. Oh, I forgot this. I forgot to end the stream on Twitch only to restart it. So give me a second. In StreamYard, what I can do is add Twitch to what's happening, and theoretically, I'll be live on Twitch as well. Thank you for tuning in. Up on the screen right now, I've got the latest arcade update. And if you're not already familiar with what's going on, I've been building effectively little web apps. I've been ideating in Google Gemini primarily. And last night, we ended up fleshing out, well, a couple of them, right? Kinetic Cosmos and Neon Cycles. Also got Funicode online. And then today, for those who were tuned in last night during the vibe coding session, I ended up finishing up Pixel Glitch. So this is an ASCII art studio. You can take any image that you have, drag and drop it in, and then what it'll do, on its own, right? There's ASCII art. You can move it around, change the character size, smaller or larger, change the density. I'm your density. And then what's even cooler is you can export it as a PNG file or a text file. So you can create, and then you see the glitching, you can turn that off if you want. You can turn the animation speed off all the way off, or you can increase it. You can change the dithering, scan lines, really go retro, the intensity of the glitches. I wanted to make it fun, not just a flat thing, right? I wanted to have it really feel interactive. You could give it, a little more noise, add a little more noise to it. You could rotate the hue, get some wild stuff going on there. Change the art style altogether. Choose any one of them in here, right? And then increase the gamma if you want. Ooh, that actually turned out really well. I'm very happy with that. Look at that. That worked out. Pretty cool. You could reset it, go full screen, or randomize, which is kind of neat. You can change the characters. So there's blocks. Oh, let's go random. And of course, once you got random, you can go in and adjust like different things to get it exactly the way you want it. And as I said, you can export as well. And then of course, every time you upload a new image, it just resets on its own. So yeah, this is it's now up and online and obviously free. Take a look. Let me know what you think. I'm very, very happy with it. I think it's a neat tool. I hadn't seen anything quite like this before. I was looking at the beginning of this live stream. I thought I brought a glass to pour my unboxing juice into, but apparently I did not. I did not do that. My bad. So tonight, we're going to do a couple things. Number one, I want to, again, call your attention to specifically where you could launch all the apps that I've been creating. These are all available in games, productivity, creativity. Creative seems to be my jam. Like I'm all about like, let's do something that's kind of fun. This is kind of fun. This is silly, pointless, I mean, do you remember like when the web was fun? Do you remember? That's the kind of experience I want to create in the arcade, really. Just fun little things. So tonight, I'm going to do both fun little things and not so fun little things, because I've got some things that I need to do. And in diving into, I've got like a little list of things that I wanted to create. I don't know how well... let's see here. Let's do tonight. Oh, let's do another Gemini session. Open the canvas. How could we do this? This is going to be a little challenging, but I'm going to try. First, we're going to give it some parameters here. Set the stage for the with the prompt. There we go. Make sure we got a decent foundation here. There's our prompts. There we go. We are going to create an app that allows the user to enter in text that turns into the enter in a bit of text that and then the app turns it into. I don't know how well this is going to work. Wait, hang on, that's the wrong area. There we go. I want to do the Star Wars crawl. Even though I wonder if it's going to say, "Oh, I'm violating copyright." We're going to create an app that allows the user to enter a bit of text, and then the app turns that text into a scrolling into scrolling text that looks like it's from the beginning of a Star Wars movie. I don't know. It's known as the crawl, the opening crawl. We are going to make it easy for them to create their own opening crawl with their own text, and then it will animate that text in a scrolling way, like it's at the beginning of a Star Wars movie. We also have to have a nice starry background. This is to look look and function exactly like the Star Wars opening crawl text. Okay, there we go. Let's try it. I don't know. I haven't tried this prompt yet. We're gonna try it. We're gonna see what happens. Just an idea. I may need to come up with. You remember? You do? You were there? Oh man, let me close that. All right, we're giving this a shot. We're gonna see what happens. Specific Star Wars crawl. Okay, so it's got it. It's doing the SEO for it, CSS for it, JavaScript, accessibility, canonical URL. There we go. Oh, look at that! Long time ago. Look at this! Look at this! Oh wow! No, it actually got the refinement of the crawl structure. Yeah, that's it. Oh, this is perfect. Main title for the logo part. Blue intro text, main title. Large, centered, fades out. The perfected. Dude, it might have done it. It might have done more than I wanted. That's great. This is perfect. Look at that. A long time ago, text will be oh my God, look at this. We're making a crawl generator, people. Oh, it's too bad we couldn't like export video. It's doing accessibility. And there we go. Star Wars opening crawl generator. Create your own epic intro. It's generating. Here we go. Here we go. Wow. Enter their main title, episode number, episode title, body of their crawl. Then with a click, they'll see their story unfold in true Star Wars fashion. Oh my God. If this works one shot, I will be blown away. That's not even this is what, you want to know what's taking up like 90% of my time right now? Vibe coding this fun stuff. Just going in there and saying, this is what I want. This is what I want to create. This is not even what I want to do. Okay, so the thing I need to do, forget what I came here to do, as that's generating, is I've got, if you go to the Perillo.com website, there's the arcade. Obviously, you're playing with these things, you're having fun with these things. I don't know. I'm going to keep making them because why not? No one's stopping me. There's an option down here to buy playbooks. So I iterated or created this this app, or not an app, this page, this web page in this was Gemini as well, but it was created so that you could get all the playbooks that I've made individually. Like, click here to get started, click here, learn more to get started, all this stuff. But I don't know if this is really the way that I wanted to take it. So what I'm thinking about doing for this page, and this is what I've got in the Gemini prompt ready to go. We're going to have fun with, oh my God, hang on. Here we go. The Adventures of Captain Proton. The Adventures vibe coding the Galaxy vibes. Episode 27. So that's 27. Episode title. Search for Spocko. What we title? Untitled. Now I need some text. Okay, now I need some more text. This is really funny. I'm just getting random text here. There we go. Okay, launch crawl. Okay, it did that. It fades away. The Galaxy vibes. It's not quite exact, but look at that. Now here comes the crawl. Here it comes. Theoretically, is it? Are we doing? Do we see it? Where is it? Where's the crawl? We got the title. We got the first two parts. Ah. The stars behind. The stars are static. Yeah, and then the crawl is not actually. Oh man, we came close. Okay. I wonder what the font is that we can use. Okay. The stars background is static and completely random pattern. And it only kicks in after the initial blue text, which should be editable and editable. Random pattern. It only after the is displayed. I believe the font should be the crawl font should be closer to Arial. There's a certain one, but I can't remember what it is. And the crawl doesn't actually start at this point. There we go. I can open the console. Nope, there's no bugs. Okay. There we go. The star's background is static and completely and a completely random pattern. And it only kicks in and it only starts displaying instantly after the initial blue text after the blue text, which should be editable, is displayed. I believe the crawl font should be closer to Arial. And the crawl doesn't actually start. But the crawl should start as the episode text fades away. As the, what was it? The title text? What was it called? It wasn't the episode text. It was the, crap. What was it called? Main title. I think this is right. Yeah. Okay, so there's some updates. We're going to send some updates down the pike. We're going to see what happens. Not bad for a first pass, though. So, okay, so this is the question, Pixel. I saw the same thing about the diffusion model. I'm curious. Is it just going to be fast, or is it going to be as comprehensive as Pro? Because I'm all about Pro. And speaking of, I have a 4-month free subscription to the Pro level for anybody who wants it, because I don't want to just hand out the code if it's just going to get thrown away. Flying toasters, man. Okay, Engineered. That's the next one. We can iterate that. Hang on. We can try it. Let's go over to Gemini. Open canvas. Let us do some flying toasters here. Where is... I've got like too many windows open here. Let me open my web page app developments. Create an interactive experience that is reminiscent, that looks just like the After Dark Flying Toasters screensaver. Graphics should be created in CSS isometric style. There we go. All right, you asked for it, Engineered. We're doing it. We're doing some flying toasters because why not? There we go. It's going to be thinking. It's getting it all in there. But where's the design? I need the design to do well here. CSS styling design. Here we go. Introductory blue text. Main title. Galaxy. Galaxy Vibes. Episode 27. Untitled. Fun. Oops, it's a dark time for the rebellion. Let me do this. Just giving it some different text here. Just some boilerplate. Launch crawl. No, it didn't get the background. Didn't do the background yet. Galaxy Vibes. Okay, is it getting the crawl? Crawl isn't starting yet. I still don't see the crawl actually starting, and the wallpaper is still wrong. Read my corrections again. Take it step by step. My corrections were, because now I'm just gonna have to see. Sometimes like it forgets everything, like the star's background. So Arial. The star's background is static in a completely random pattern, and it only starts displaying instantly after the blue text, which after the blue text is displayed and disappears. How are we doing? Flying toasters. All right, where are they? Where are the flying toasters? Okay, I don't see any flying toasters. Oh, there's a flying. Oh my God, that's a flying toaster. Look at it. Well, I do see some flying toasters up there. God, is that? Oh, that's toast. Search what the flying toasters look like. That's what we're creating, and specifically the diagonal animation that this particular screensaver used. Let's see if I can find a flying toaster graphic here. So it did kind of, let's see here. Gonna give it the graphic. They have to look exactly the same. And research how they animated on screen. It was one direction diagonal from the top right to the lower left at a certain angle. Okay, here we go. Research. There we go. Again, it's a multimodal model, so I can go in and kind of correct it. Here we go. Star Wars crawl. Oh, okay, boop. Getting some defaults here. Launch crawl. No. Starry background will be animated visual. No. You're still getting this wrong. Oh, there we go. At least it got this right. if you're going to use an animated background, it should only be on the staging start screen where we in text, and the stars pattern there should still be random. Looks like you're currently looping a pattern. The stars background that static stars background that appears after the blue text. Oh, the blue text screen is completely black. Slow down that crawl. Okay, there we go. Now, how are we doing over here? You're absolutely right. There we go. Just closer to at my reference image. Do some research. This is vibe coding, but at least you got some flying toasters, right? I don't know if this is going to turn into anything. I don't know if this flying toasters are necessarily going to go anywhere. All right, hang on. But I'm getting somewhere with the crawl, theoretically. Static stars, crawl sequence, blue sequence background. Eventually, the static star background will be active during the blue. No. Blue text. No. Blue. Again, blue text background is completely black. I'm reading its notes. Slower opening crawl. Okay. We don't need a create new crawl button. The user until after the scrolling text has finished displaying. All right, let's try this again. Even though I know it's already screwed it up. Okay, got that right. Clear black. When that appears, are those stars? Those aren't stars. I need to see the static stars. Okay, so, whoa, what the? That wasn't good. The animated stars on the start screen still look totally like a pattern. Make it bigger. Or random. Make. You have to. Extreme version of the repeating stars that's larger so that it doesn't look like a pattern. Oh wait. Here's another idea. For the start screen animation, a hyperspace background animation, a hyperspace looking thing that emanates from the center of the screen. As though they're flying through hyperspace. Okay, we don't need the opening crawl. The should be crawl. What do we call this? Force. what do we call it? What do we call this dang thing? What do we call it? Send a video of the crawl? Ooh, I don't know. It knew enough. Create your crawl and use a much more sci-fi font. Okay, we don't need it until themed yellow, like the start screen, until after a fully fledged static stars background should only appear when the main title appears. It should not look like a pattern, but a wide array of stars in the distance. Different colors, not all plain white dots. Some should twinkle slightly. Create your own opening crawl. Okay, should be that. What else do I need to do? Okay, so I'm redefining. I'm saying I want a hyperspace background, changing a few things around. All right, how's the flying toasters looking? Now we don't even have any toasters. We don't even, where are the toasters? I don't even have any toasters. Now I'm looking for the toasters. Come on, toasters. Wait, did I post, I did not, over on Discord. All right, so now Discord knows. Yeah, flying toasters is not working. I don't see the toasters now. This is the thing I set out to do. This is the thing I've got to do tonight. The less fun thing, as we're ideating through these options. Opening crawl. I'm gonna continue working on the Star Wars opening crawl for sure. I can close the arcade pages. This is what I got to work on. This is what I want to redo. Okay, so this page design is great, but the sales proposition needs to change. We are still selling the same playbooks here, but every playbook is available through a single link where they can pay what they want. So they get the entire bundle for whatever price they choose to set on the payment link. They get all this for however much they want. So we have to update the pitch and proposition. For what's being offered. The copy around why they want this, the calls to action are great. Oops. Is perfect. What else is perfect? Is perfect. Oops. What else is good? updated modern playbooks. Okay, there we go. Still no toasters. No toasters. No toasters yet. How are we doing on the crawl? Ooh, that's cool. Galaxy Vibes, episode blah, 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 untitled. Boop, 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 boop. I still don't see the star's background appearing. No, sorry. Crap. Main title. When the main title appeared. Main title appears. What else? Hyperspace animation lines should be straight from the center of the page and more of them at varying lengths, like flying through a star field. Okay. What's the last thing I needed to do? Oh, okay. The main title fade away should be slower. Give me feedback. All right. Now back to the playbooks, the boring thing that I'm sure no one cares about. But again, I set your own price. I thought was kind of nice, personally. I really like. So it's not just tech mastery. It's learning how to harness that tech provides and okay. Let's see here. Okay. Okay, I'm going to update this. Let's try this again. Galaxy Vibes. Title. Launching the crawl. There we go. Now we got it. Galaxy Vibes. See if the button appears. I do have a couple of stylistic changes. There we go. So there we go. Okay, So the crawl, is that the crawl text? Tapers away, fades away as it approaches the top 15% of the screen. When the crawl is done, that's when a button in the middle of the screen should fade in and ask them if they want to make another one. Next episode, next episode. Okay. There we go. So, did I get everything right? Okay, I got hyperspace. There needs to be tons more hyperspace lines, and they need to be a darker color because I can't even see them behind the form. They need to extend from the center to just off screen visibility. Okay, and way more of them. Okay. Fart. What do we call this one? Vader Lives episode. Wow. Subtitle. Something bold. Okay. Wait, hang on. How does Star Wars opening crawl? Okay, that's crawl, Star Wars. New Hope. Title, main title is it the title? Or what is it? Something bold. Episode title is always in caps. Oh, episode title. Episode title is always in all caps. The main title is an outline. Main title is an outline, usually 2 words. Line break between them. So instead of a full yellow font, we're creating a yellow font outline. Okay, so that should work. So is also always in all caps and is an outline of the font, usually font with nothing inside, no fill inside. There we go. Inside, usually 2 words, line break between them. Oops. So instead of a full yellow font, we're creating a yellow font outline. Let's speed up the crawl a tiny bit. Okay, next round of changes. How are we doing? Flying toasters are still not there. Oh, there we go. Oh, I'm sorry. We do have flying toasters. Pretty damn close. All right, who asked that? Who asked for the flying toasters? Who asked for the flying toasters here? Where's the flying toasters person? Here. Hey, Todd. Oh, that would be wild. Oh, the camera, if it pans down, that might be an interesting. Oh, the engine nerd, you're the one who asked. Yeah. So that may be the next level of what we need to do. But I mean, come on. You gotta admit, this is pretty close. I'm not gonna keep this, but if anybody wants it, here's a link. Let me paste it in chat. That's for the flying toasters. Okay, so now back to the work. Updated the HTML for playbooks. New pricing section. Unlock your full potential with the playbook collection. Learn more and get started. Adjusted messaging. Call to action, pay what you want. FAQ update. Minor text tweaks. Okay. See what we got here. SEO. I need my SEO guide. Where is it? SEO. There we go. I'm SEOing. See, I've got a prompt for SEO. Isn't that great? Not that it, totally matters, but you never know. I know nothing about SEO. That's for this page, and I'm reworking it, right? Here's the back. Get started. Playbooks. Flying toasters. All right, I'm killing the flying toasters. Y'all have it. Y'all have the link. If you want to iterate, it now exists. So have at it. I'm getting back to the opening crawl. Where's the hyperspace? Where's the hyperspace lines? I can't see them because they're completely behind the form. They need to extend outward and shoot off the page entirely. Okay, my awesome movie got. Oh wait, Vader Lives, episode 27. The search for more coffee. The search for more coffee. Oh wait. Are you good? There we go. Launch crawl. I already have a comment that was inserted there. That is sloppy, but that's what happens. Let's see if it fades away when it gets to the top of the screen. I don't know if it will, because I don't know if it knows what the hell I was talking about. Hang on. Getting close. Okay, it's fading out. I need to fade out sooner. Crawl text needs to start fading out sooner down the page, perhaps 25%. Are you good? Let's see what happens. Do I get the button? Title or crawl text font needs to be a little bit bigger and angled away a little further. I don't see a restart button when the text is completely gone from the screen yet. Anything else? Hyperspace lines, crawl texts. Yeah, we got to drag this in there. No, not the toasters. I don't need the toasters. You asked for sliders? That's not a bad idea, actually. But I kind of want a one-size-fits-all for this. For the ASCII art, I don't know. the Vader lives. This is what I gotta get here. Because I got a screen grab. Like the main title is on the right track, but you can see that. But there should be no intersection of outlines over the what should be an empty fill area. For example, here E is perfect. Like E, definitely not like A or D in the screenshot. There should be no lines within the fill area of this font, and remember to line break between the word, the likely two words. All right. Ah, shoot. V is not perfect. Like E. Okay, so E is perfect. Okay, that's great. Unlock your full potential. This will be living. Okay, playbook example. I don't have a oh my god, that's horrible. I feel like the should be much shorter and scrolling. It's important to provide context, but there we go. Can we leverage a varied use of colors and some SVG images to really make this design dynamic and engaging? 30-day journey to confidence. Makes zero sense in plain English. Okay. You seem to have left comments at the tail end of the page as well. This will live on. I already said where it's going to live. No need to put social links in the footer yet. The domain is not the product is simply called Chris Perillo's Playbooks. Seems too generic and not very CTA. Not enough of a hook. Okay, adding that. How are we doing here? Is it still produced? There we go. Slightly more opaque. Oh, there we go. Now we got hyperspace. Vader lives. Episode. Untitled fun. I'm just going to make the paragraph very short. It's still not getting that, man. Oops, preview. Crawl body still needs to be at more of an angle backwards. What else I need? You left comments in the code visible page. What else did I see? Main title. I don't know what you would call it. The area within each letter should be completely empty, transparent, no lines inside. Okay, what else did we miss? Increase the speed of the crawl body text and increase the speed of the crawl body text as well. It needs to move a bit faster. You seem to have slowed it down. What's the speed? I'm waiting for the fadeaway here, but it's going way too slow. Come on, get to fading. I know, I should probably add sliders at this point, huh? Come on, you can do it. Man, that's really slow. Wait, not main title, crawl body text. The crawl body text. I still don't see a button to restart appear when the crawl text is done. Oh, there we go. The button for next episode should appear almost here. after the text is gone. Crawl text is gone. Next episode. Okay. But main title fill is empty characters are still not working correctly. The outline itself is fine, but the characters, the fill of those characters is still not empty. Okay. Did I already say that? No, I already did. Okay. Here's my next round of feedback. Hey, what's going on, Fotel? I don't know how to say anybody's name, but the point. Oh, you can add the slider, then tell it what number. Okay. To get the angle. It's not a bad idea. I can give you, as soon as I feel good, I can give you the link and then you can iterate too. All right, let's see here. Stop guessing, start growing, get all of Chris Perillo's proven playbooks. There we go. That's great. We need a full list of the full playbook currently available. See if I can get a screen grab of those. Right, there we go. See attached. No promises that more will come. The buttons still needs a better way of layout for the attached playbooks. There's a lot of text. Oops. Style bullet points. Okay. Still doesn't seem to be very well styled. Is damn, dude. Okay, hang on. The title There we go. Okay. Product management 101. Go in code preview. There we go. Starting to feel a lot more like. Oh, whoa, why is that flashy? Why is that flashing? It's a bug I'll have to fix. Wait, shoot. Oh, I did attach it. That still doesn't work. Crawl angle needs to be further down. That's not too bad. Okay, now the crawl needs to fade away. Oh, wait, it's getting there a bit sooner. Okay, no, that's fine. It's getting, yeah, okay. It's getting there. Da-da-da. Yeah, okay, okay. I'm feeling it, I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. After the crawl text fades away, yellow crawl text fades away, the camera pans down, and that's when we see the stars move in accordance, and up comes the next episode button. Also, the input form seemed to be flashing on my screen when I was filling it out. Whoa! What? Oh, that's new. Look at, have you seen this? Is this, have I not seen that before? Have I toggled that before? Like, it shows you like what they changed. Oh, that's wild. Okay, let's see what we're doing here. Is this done? No, it's still coding. I've never toggled that before, to be honest. Wait, what's that one? I can't click the link from where I am right now. Okay. This feels like it's getting close, though. Stop guessing, start drawing. Chris Perillo's. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna open up a can of whoop ass here. I'm going to tell it basically to redesign the son of a gun. Yeah, I'm basically asking to redesign. Because I'm not liking it yet. Okay, we're going to see what happens. Did I already see it? Yeah, I already. We'll see what happens with the new design. All right, preview. That's too big. The form is still flashing. And I input text the main title. Is that main title? Let's see if it pans down. That's definitely the right speed. That's a better speed. Better angle, better speed. Let's see if it pans down. The outline is nor should, and the line should break between words. The camera did not pan down after the crawl text disappeared to show the button. This is where I may have to like restart fresh in a new Google Gemini instance, because sometimes when you like get going with it, it gets really stupid. Hey, 3D Medic Vince, good to see you. We're doing some vibe coding for the arcade tonight. If you've seen the arcade, have you seen my arcade yet? Everything that I've been creating. Yeah, see, next episode appeared, but way too late. This is going to be a pay what you want playbooks. I've got the link. Is anybody interested in the link? Would you like the link? I can give you the link. Not that anybody's going to use it, but you'll get the playbooks for as they currently stand. Would you like? Who wants the link? Here's the link. There's the link. This is what all my playbooks. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many of them are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11, okay. This is the old one. Okay. Yeah, show okay, that's it. I didn't realize that was even there. This is a little better. Need an entirely new design, stem to stern. This is to build to sell. Convert. Here. taking too much from what's here now. Start fresh. Built to convert. There we go. Look, it's got the checklist. Okay, I understand. Good. Glad you understand. Now let's try the crawl. The input field is glitching out horribly. I may need to restart a new thing because it's not. It's not taking the outline effect for the main title is still bad. The should appear much sooner. I think you're counting on text being there when it isn't. I may save this out and keep working on it. These are all the, where is the list of ebooks here? Now, if anybody buys the ebooks, I'll have to, like, for at least the next little while, everything's going to get messaged to people privately. But pay what you want, yeah. Okay, let's try that again. We'll see how this design works. Whoa! Okay, look at that. Whoa! I love that neon. Wow, that's actually pretty damn wild. Need more stylish fonts. You need to think like SEO and with proper CTAs. Try it again. I'm going to have to fix that, aren't I? Because if it doesn't get this now, I'm going to download and... Yeah, it's not getting it. It's not, I don't think it's getting it. I don't think it's understanding what I need to do. It's run out of, like, if you will, memory. Like, it doesn't know what the fuck it's doing. This happens every so often with Google. Yeah, it's pay what you want. That's the idea, Mark. Although, like, the minimum is 7. I have to rework some of the things. I don't know. I don't like how it came together. I mean, it's neat. That's what, whoa. But, like, I love that. Stop drifting, start achieving. These are available. I've got them ready. Yeah, I'm going to download the code. I wish I could actually download an HTML document. Star Wars HTML. Text edits. Okay, now. Whoa, that's fucky. We're gonna close this out after. We're gonna start a new Gemini thing, open canvas, drag this in there. The main title font needs to have a black color fill with the yellow outline. What else? What else did we need to correct? The input fields container seems to be flashing and it should not. The next episode button should appear faster after the crawl completely disappears. After it looks like the camera auto pan down and the stars background shifts upward to better show the next episode button. All right, starting over because it just wasn't getting it. It just wasn't getting it. Ugh, I can't even freaking read that. Okay. Okay, start over with the design again. This is starting. This looks like amateur hour. Strong dissatisfaction. We're going to see what it does. We're going to see what happens. Oops. Yeah, no, Mark, that's where it's at. I linked it. I linked it already. Although there's no payment link. That's what I had pasted in earlier. That's what I'm editing now. I'm editing the page, or going through and editing the page. I've got the payment link. It's ready to go, but yeah, that's. Okay, it's still flashing. There we go. I've got the Stripe link in there. Next episode button needs to appear much sooner. Go step by step. Be methodical. Think like a senior level designer. UX UI. We're still rebuilding this because I'm not happy with what was there. If I can get I'm just going to incorporate the links. You know, at the end of the night, I'm just going to get the links there. Not that anybody's watching the Playbooks page, but. Mark, have you seen, it's good to see you, by the way. Have you seen the arcade page? Oh, you did. You must have if you went to Perillo.com. All right, here we go. DM Sandsplat. Your unfair advantage starts now. I kind of like that. Okay, this is much better. I like that, though. Back to the crawl. Nope. This is not working. Bad. Take my concept and re-engineer it from the top. Start to finish. What happened to the star's background? What happened to the line break in the main title? This is where it's like, okay, is it better just to start over? And in many ways, that's what I did with the design here, right? Just start over. Next episode, no. Oh no, it's forgetting. It's lost its memory. It's lost its memory. Yeah, it's lost its memory. Because it stopped. That's how I know. Sometimes I have to do this. And I'd take it to another platform, but the other platform sucks just as much. Because look, it stopped. See, look, see how it stopped over here? Not good. Ask it to give you control to change the typeface. Oh, I'm definitely having a salty night. Did it accept, Mark? Are you now married to Copilot? Then take a screenshot of how you want it. I can't click links. StreamYard still has not figured out how to allow me to click links, which sucks. Yeah, this is Star Wars crawl. It froze out. Starting over. Okay, I've re-engineered the Star Wars opening crawl generator from the ground up. This is a fresh start. I don't see the blue text. Anything after I hit enter with the form field. Form. Where do I see that? Behind it. And this is the danger of using AI. Okay, there we go. Chris Pearl's Playbooks, the advantage, the creator. Action packed. I love that. Name your price and get started. Got questions, we've got answers. Okay, this is not bad. The header. I really don't like the header layout or links used. All looks sloppy. This is much better. I'm liking the direction it's going, though. Oh, console logging. Okay. Who just texted? Was it my girlfriend? Oh, my jeez. I can get to the Discord, yeah. Give me a second, buddy. And thank you for showing up 2 nights in a row. That's very appreciated. Are you in Cantina? Did you come into Cantina? Oh, someone joined. Oh, no. Someone already joined last night. What's the... You linked me to the pop-out. Oh, hang on. Did you create something too? You did. Oh, yeah. That's so much better. Although the problem is that it's still not using the outline, but... That's good. That's a good crawl. How'd you generate yours? I'm curious to know, Pixel. How'd you generate yours? Like, this is what Pixel made, right? Create your Star Wars crawl. Look at that. The only problem is stars don't pop in here. Or do you see stars? No, I don't see stars. And that's not an outline font. And it fades away too quickly. And it's not line broken. And the font's not big enough. So it's like, this is like, but that's good. That's a really good. I'm not flashing. No. Food text doesn't start, and it should be over a black background anyway. Stars don't appear until main title. Giving console for debugging. That's still not bad. Your crawl's not bad. Oh, you gave it a video reference. Do you have a link to the video reference? Crawl finished. Okay. Where's the video reference? Do you have a link to the video reference? I'll give it that. If you have the link in Discord, give it the link in Discord, Cantina. Preview. What the hell are these icons? What the hell are these? What the F are these icons? Incomprehensible. There we go. Screenshots should go a long way, theoretically. All right, do we have this? Let's find out. At least I fixed the. Oop. Okay, there. I got black text. The main title fades out. Oops. They need to make it easier to copy what's in the console. This is getting to the point too where I'm going to have to download and redo it. This is the biggest issue with AI is that sometimes it has a horrible memory. By the way, did you see the Perillo 404 page? If you go to Perillo, like, just type in whatever. Isn't that great? All right, speaking of 404, I will be back. I have to pee. Hey, Shane. Ugh. Okay. Peeing done. I may actually reheat a burger too. it lives, episode blah, blah, boop, boop. Oh, too much. Nope. Main title still disappears too quickly. It's there and gone. I think it needs to have a thicker outline, and each word needs to be on a new line. Okay, that main crawl needs to be slowed down a tiny bit. Next episode button needs to appear much more quickly. Boop. Oh my God, this got worse. Bad to worse. I don't know what to tell it. You suck. Okay, hang on. Let me copy this into new document. Playbooks. I think it's forgetting. I think it's forgetting things now. Yeah, I'm going to restart it here. Yeah, I'm going to restart it. Did this work? At least you got the new line. That's good. Oops, okay, there we go. All right. Okay. This design isn't. We can't use gray text with this design. Can't read the fonts that way. What else about playbooks that I don't like? Moreover, I don't want to be specific about the amount of playbooks available, just that several are and at a price the buyer sets. Menu bar text should be more CTA oriented. Oops. Titles. Section titles should be more CTA oriented. I guess I can give it the link. Is that right? Yeah. Oops. The link to purchase should be used throughout where relevant. Make sure no comments leak through. The SVG graphics are not rendering properly at all. I'll fix that. I'll get a picture in there. Okay. Started from scratch, back to the crawl. Hell is going on with the main title? What the hell? I love getting like really uppity. Hey TC Jamie, good to see you. Oh, you did see the video reference? Give me a second. I missed the video reference, buddy. Where? I don't see the video reference. Oh, now I see it. Okay, thank you. Derp. Okay, hopefully this is going to get reformatted too. And this is a fresh instance. There we go. Rebuilding this code. Oh man, I didn't make it go to canvas. I hate when I do that. This means the sequence will be blue intro text 7 seconds, main title appears, holds prominently for 6.5 seconds, and rapidly fades out over 1 second. Then main title grow. Okay, I may have to adjust that. We'll see if it fixed anything. Okay, so that worked. This is the Playbooks page. I need to add canvas. At least I got the links incorporated. I did something tonight. Oops, shit. I need to add the Google. Where's the Google? Let's go. Make sure this is at the bottom of the page before it closes. Timing is off. I need to tell it to rework the timing because the timing's way off. I don't like that. All right, let's see here. Here we go. Try it again. Theater lives, episode 1, untitled fun. Boop, boop. Untitled. Boop. No, that's too much. Rework your timing. These elements are not timing properly. Step by step. Timing, okay. So then it figures it out. Next episode, timing. Are you reworking it? There we go. Propose new timing strategy. At least the stars appear. Let's see what we got. So it's reworking the timing right now. You don't know how long the crawl is. Don't approximate a time for how long the crawl lasts. That's creating a discrepancy too. Remember, the hyperspace animation at the start isn't visible in any way. Alright, that's what you said you did. You worked it, theoretically. See what we got. And then I'm going to drag in the video. Hang on. It's horrible. Completely unreadable. Do these fixes. Make these fixes. You didn't even... Yeah, okay. Not paying attention. Still don't see it, but... Pay attention to follow it for timing, angles, etc. Oh, file type unsupported. F you. Really? Do I need to convert it? Timing, angles, fonts, colors. File type. How the F? It's unsupported, dude. It's unsupported. It didn't like that file. It's unsupported. How is it freaking unsupported, dude? The file format that you're giving me is completely unsupported. So, and I can convert it on the desktop, but that's still not doing anything. The video doesn't do anything. Sorry, it's in a format that says it's not supported when I drag it into the window. No matter how I convert it, I've converted it 3 times into 3 different formats, so that's not working. No! This is where I start to get pissed. Okay. You're clearly not getting this. You're clearly not getting this. Clearly not getting this. This is where I ask it to be. Gonna do it again. We'll see if it actually does anything though. It's gonna rework it. But I don't know. I'm not going to hold my breath. Here we go with the crawl again. I'm going to get this to work. I swear to God, I'm going to get this to work. What's the screenshot? Where's the screen grab? What? No, I tried to get it in there. Oh, I'm not using AI Studio though. That's the thing. I'm just using Gemini. Just like regular old straight up Gemini 2.5 Pro preview. Oops. I'll get there. I will get there. This is where it starts to like overthink things. And I have to like completely reset it. See what we got. Oh my Jesus. Getting there. Wait, why is it red? Give me the ability. Oops. Okay, slash crawl. No, I want the main time. This is where I start to get. This is where I start to get punchy. I'm going to put the playbook online too, and then rework it from there. You sent more HTML? You did, didn't you? You did, didn't you? All right, so there's your Star Wars generator. Prescriptive distance, crawl duration. That's amazing. Oh, yeah. That's much better. A long time ago to Galaxy. Yeah, you did a much better job than I did. Minus the crawl needs to start before. Yeah. Fonts need to change too. It's a little small. And there's a stars background that's missing. We'll keep working on this. This is going to be a collaboration. I have a feeling this is going to be a collaboration, Pixel. Yeah, see, it's not fading properly. It's like cutting off. Okay, so I've attached your HTML. Boy, this is where it starts over-engineering shit. Invite a friend? Oh, nice. Oh, no. Invite a friend to Pro. That's all it does is invite a friend to the Pro. The Pro account to Gemini. Oops. Wait, oh shit, did it time out? No, that's the other one. Okay, that links off to that. Oops. Stripe account. Oops. Here we go. No streaks. Nope. This is just horrible. This is just bad. This is so screwed. This is just needs to be reworked. Fix the bugs. Two. Let's call it two. Gemini. As one. I'm gonna be stupid. That's not working either. That's not working. I can try AI Studio. I can. I need to get you on chat. I know that. I know I need to get you on chat. I agree, Pixel. I'm just being stupid here. Oh shit. Wait. That's not right. Oh crap, that's not right. New chat. We have the design elements of Star Wars HTML that need to be merged with the functional elements of 2HTML. There we go. Let's see what happens here. And this is why I don't pay attention to my Google Gemini history, because like everything's lost. Let's see what happens when we combine the two. Try that. Okay, preview. There we go. It's better. Oh shit. Whoa, that went right to... This is messed up. Start over. Yeah, the hyperspace thing is causing problems. So this is me combining the two. Yeah, that was me combining the two. This is what happens when you vibe code like 3 different things. Yeah, Pixel, it did not work out well. I think that much is apparent. It's the style that I was trying to copy over everything else that you had. And it may take a fresh approach tomorrow. All together. If I could get it to upload a video. Let me send you what I currently have. I'll send you what I currently have, and you should be able to take the code. Give me a second. Yeah. Okay, I'll try AI Studio. All right, so let me get the video that you sent. Oops. Upload PDF or image? No, I want to. Oh, I can do Art Maker too already. Yeah. That did not work. Start from a template. No. I want to chat. We need to refactor this HTML to work and look like the attached video when its time is right in the progression of the HTML page. Need to take this step-by-step. Timing and font choices seem to be off. All right, I'm doing AI Studio. Per your request. Oh my God. Remove all comments. Increase the timing of animation because I have to wait for things too long. Format this text better so that it's more readable. All right. Episode, main title. All right, well, it remembered stuff. This did better. fonts more appropriate to the original design of the movies. It's not going to get that. I know it's not going to get that. And I'm getting tired, dude. I'm ready to crash. I'm like staring too much at this. That's all right, Pixel. I'm like staring at the screen, and I need like a fresh mental approach here. I'm having worked two things. This is the thing. When you're like trying to figure out how to get it to do what you want it to do, don't exactly get it the way you want it to do it. But I'm going to keep working on this crawl. I'm going to get this crawl at least where I want it to be, and I'll get the Playbooks page working at least at a basic level, so that if people want to do set your own price for all the Playbooks, they can. But of course, I've noticed that Google Gemini adds these comments all the freaking time in the living text. This is one thing they need to improve in 2.5 Pro. Constantly getting these comments. It's reoccurring. And then I constantly have to like restart a new instance, a new chat. All right, I'm going to start the regular Twitch stream. I'm going to keep doing my thing over here. I can kill that. I had a meeting earlier. Used granola for that. Kill that. But I'm going to get a new 3D print started. Oh shoot. I will see you soon. I don't know when I'm going to do another one, because I've got a couple other things that I was going to do on a normal Thursday night. Oh, is that it? That's at least kind of somewhat better. Still not liking this. Wait a minute, hang on. That should actually... Can't buy a stripe. Oh shit, this is Star Wars Crawl. It's refactoring. There we go. Can I run it? Edit, rerun, save, compare, clear. Can I preview it in line? Oh, share code. Yeah, give me a second. That's where it's at. Share code. Copied. Here's where it's at. The fonts are off. Like, that's not bad. That's actually not too bad. That font is way off. Timing's way off, and it should still keep going into the background. It should still keep fading into the background. That font's off too. Timing and font are... Well, timing may not be too off. fonts off. And it doesn't fade as it goes away. It just keeps moving up. And then, yeah. All right. But at least the timing's off as opposed to everything else that the fuck was going on. How do I copy that? Where? Copy. Oh, download. There we go. It's still flashing. That's a weird font. That's better. This is better. This output is better. Needs to be like shored up a bit. Like that's slowed down. Less top margin. Timing needs to be redone. Huh. Yeah, that's not right either. The hyperspace shit is going to disappear. I'm done with the hyperspace shit. This one I feel is like closer to where we need to be. That font needs to change, but that's closer to in the no glow. Doesn't need to stay around. It needs to just keep disappearing. And the crawl needs to start immediately. Okay. I'm going to save that into Playbooks. I'm going to start wrapping up here. And where's Playbooks? Playbooks. Oops. Index. At least the link lives. Okay, so now Perillo.com/playbooks. Yep, there we go. That at least works. Oops. Oh, look at this. I'll look at this with fresh eyes, but I love that scroll bar, dude. That scroll bar is awesome. I will work on it tomorrow. I have to pee. I'm going to have to go. Scroll bar is awesome, dude. I love that scroll bar, but I need to work on the fonts. That's at Perillo.com/playbooks. Okay, everybody, gonna wrap up. Gonna start the or restart the 24/7 live stream on Twitch here in just a second. I'll do more of this. I love vibe coding. It's what I do. I'll figure out the Star Wars crawl font thing to get something going. It's just gonna take a little bit of work, but it's worth the effort, in my opinion. Thank you, Pixel, for all your help.